Hi everyone, this is Sandeep. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to understand the market sentiments, especially fear and greed. So I will show you two websites. One is for the Indian one and another one is from US. And before I start the video, please subscribe to my channel and please share this video to your friends and family, and if you have any feedback, kindly share it. Okay, now this website which I showed you is from the ticker tape website. So this index is like a speedometer, car speedometer, which shows what is the current mood of the market. Now as you see here, right now, as of today, today is 28th of Jan, market is in fear. If market goes towards extreme fear, which is less than 20, it's a good time to accumulate stocks. And whenever market goes towards extreme greed, it is good that you sell your stocks and avoid the market. So this is a good way to determine whether you want to buy or not. Typically, people say that timing the market is difficult. You have to stay in the market. However, this can be one of the parameters used while you are investing your funds in the market. This is a great tool which all the investors can use. The second one I'm showing is the CNN website. This is which is called the Fear and Greed Index. So right now the market is 34 in the US stock market. So there's a lot of fear. 1 week ago there was fear, 43. That means market is getting more and more worried. And the last month there was a lot of greed. So basically what happens, markets are cyclical. There are periods of greediness, periods of fear. It's a cycle. So how this works, so for example you can scroll down during your free time and you can understand how it works. Apart from that, technically, if you want to understand the fear in the market, we generally use this. We use the India VIX. So India VIX is used to understand the fear on the market, but it's just a very simple parameter. What I showed earlier has a combination of other data which is combined to create that end result. So for example, VIX is 20 in India. For example, the US VIX, here it is on a higher scale, but both the markets operate differently. So if you see in the 6 months, there has been an increase of 60%.